Hello everybody, salutations. So today we are going to complete skill set 1 SOP 8, that is use of SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization methodology to improvise the website. Okay, the website may have little bit shortcomings in the coding because of which it may not get a lot of viewership. Okay, so time to time a website gets audited. Okay, so in the audit report everything is very clear what improvements are needed. Okay, so when we studied the lesson, okay, so here a copy of report, you can see it's available on page number 31 of your textbook. Okay, and to audit this website or optimize the website, see, optimization can be done after getting the audit report. Okay, after going through the audit report, the developer of the website comes to know what are the shortcomings, what all improvements have to be done. Okay, and when those steps are taken, that can be called as optimization. But first of all, auditing of the website should be done. To perform the auditing of the website, several um, uh, websites are suggested by Maharashtra State Board. Okay, see, it's given in page number 31 of your textbook. Two websites are suggested by Maharashtra State Board, that is SEOmatter.com and SEOoptimer.com. Apart from these two, I will also suggest some other websites also. I'm going to type it here for your convenience. Okay, so apart from SEO Matter and SEO Optimer, you can also use WooRank.com. Okay, I'm going to type the entire URL. Please observe carefully. HTTP or HTTPS. Okay, :/www.woorank.com. Then you can also use https://www. In Google, you can simply type WooRank and the URL of the website will be available in the search result. Okay, I am typing in the pattern of URL. Okay, the another website I can suggest you, that is SEO site checkup.com. Okay, so these websites can also be used to get an audit report for free, but most of the times there are shortcomings. Now, what I have experienced, I have several times used SEO site checkup and SEO optimer. So SEO optimer, okay, in different times, it first of all, it may provide you an audit report. Sometimes it will just deny, saying that you have tried for maximum times of a day. So first of all, you upgrade for a premium plan. That means first of all, you upgrade it for a trial period. Okay, 7 to 8 days trial period for free, and then you have to pay it for a premium plan, and then only you can get the audit reports. And SEO Optimer has a limitation of getting an audit report only for 3 times a day. Okay, maybe you are trying to get an audit report for a same website or 3 different websites, but I think so you can try it only thrice a day. SE Optimer I'm telling about. Okay, and SE site checkup is, you can say it's better than SEO Optimer, but sometimes it directly shows 404 error page. Okay, sometimes. Okay, then WooRank is also fine, and SEO Optimer I have not experienced a lot, so you can try with SEO Matter as well. SEO Matter, I have most of the times tried with SEO Optimer and SEO Site Checkup. Okay, so SEO Site Checkup is the report which is shown in the textbook. This is the report shown with the help of SEO Optimer. Okay, very convenient website. It shows the report in audit report in 5 sections. The first is SEO. Here you can see usability, performance, social, and security. That means it is going to give ratings to the website through these 5 criteria, and detailed report of each and every criteria it is going to tell. Okay, now see here in this figure 2.5, as you can see, there needs some improvement. Okay, there is some need for improvement in title tag, and that's why it is suggesting what improvement has to be done, as well as it has given a red cross. That means improvement has to be done on urgent basis, okay, high priority basis. And this is green tick, that means it's perfect, meta description is perfect. Okay, so this is only a very small part of the report, but the report is very lengthy, very detailed, okay, and very very helpful for the programmers, okay, or the website developers. So now let's get into our actual question. The question is use of SEO methodology to improvise the website. So first of all, we are going to audit a website, okay, and then through the audit report, we will identify which things have to be improved. Just like you saw in this screenshot given in the textbook, here we can see there is need of improvement in title tag. Okay, so this can be a recommended improvement. Okay, so similarly, we have to audit a website and see what all improvements are suggested and finish our question. Okay, so the question is very very simple. You have to use any website, Flipkart, Amazon, okay, or any website familiar to you. Not necessarily it should be an e-commerce website, it can be any website, okay. Then use an appropriate SEO software. So you can use the websites which are given in the textbook, as well as the websites which I suggested you, WooRank and SEO Site Checkup. You can use these two as well, but please during exams follow the websites suggested in the textbook. I suggested two more websites because I know the technical difficulty. Not every time you will able to load a audit report successfully. Sometimes it is going to show error, or sometimes it's not going to load a audit report. Okay, so in that emergency situation you can use these websites also. All right, so we are going to use a website and list out the page optimization requirements. Okay, then write down at least 4 suggestions. Okay, so 4 recommended suggestions, any 4 suggestions we are going to write down. And then write importance of SEO. Importance of SEO you can easily write, okay, after studying the lesson. Okay, here I have got some points. Okay, I made some points, so you can follow this. All right, but other things we need to do it, so let's get started. So first of all, I will use Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to first of all try with SEO Optimer. So I'm directly typing in the URL and pressing enter. Okay, see here it's available, and all other similar websites, free tools for generating an SEO report can be seen. See, this is the second suggestion about SEO Site Checkup. Okay, then other websites are also, no, not necessarily all these, all are for site checkup, okay, or getting an audit report, because we can see twitter.com, okay, because it is, we can see that SEO Optimer has made a Twitter account, so we can see the link of Twitter, that's why. All right, so let's click on this link and try to load this website, seoptimer.com. Okay, so till the website loads, you can take down the points. You can take a screenshot of this importance of SEO, which is the last part of the question. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this and write down. Now, how to write this question? You just have to answer the questions. Okay, that's it. So you can write point by point in your journal as well as during your board exam. So the site has loaded. Now here you can see, I have tried so many times. Okay, so all the suggestions are available. I tried with Amazon, eBay, Flipkart, many things. Okay, so very quickly I got report of Flipkart. Others report did not load properly. Okay, because the website did not allow to audit. Okay, so report couldn't load. So I'm going to use Flipkart and click on audit. So you can simply type flipkart.com and click on the audit button. Let's see what happens. If we are lucky, we will get a report. Probably it's going to take few seconds. I'm unable to understand if anything's happening after clicking the button. Let me try to load another website. SEO matter as per the textbook. Let's try with this. So the look and feel of these kind of websites for audit tools, okay, will be almost same. Analyze your website. So here you type a website, name of a website. I'm going to type flipkart.com and click on submit button. Let's see what happens. Please enter a URL. Okay, we will type in the format of URL http colon for two forward slashes www.flipkart.com and submit. Let's see what happens. No, this website is not responsive for now. Let's try some another website. We'll try ShopClues maybe. Oh God, here SEO matter asked to sign up first of all. And right now this is totally unresponsive. Let me try with SEO site checkup. SEO site. What's wrong with SEO Optimer today? I don't understand. Okay, see, same kind of interface. So here I'm going to type Flipkart and click on checkup. All right, some activity is happening at least. Now for one or two activity, sign up, create a password, and then forget it. Everywhere it's not very comfortable to provide email IDs. You know, each and every website monitors the details and keeps sending ads. Okay, so try to limit account creation in each and every website, each and every ad. It may take a little time. Tired of waiting? Register for free. What's wrong with SEO Optimer? I don't understand. Most of the time it shows something. Okay. Either a report is loaded or some technical difficulty. Anything is there. They provide a message, but this time nothing. We cannot perform the analysis of this website due to an API error. All right. Let's go back. Let's try another website. Shopclose.com. Check up. So you have to maintain a little patience. Okay. You have to be kind of patient with this. because it's totally dependent on this website. If this website provides you a report, you will be able to perform the assignment easily. You have to maintain patience. I don't know what's wrong with SEO Optimer. Leave it. I'm not going to see that anymore. Let's hope this works. SEO site checkup. All right, all right. It started almost. Yes, yes, yes. We've got we've got the report of shopclues.com. Okay, see, it's getting loaded. So this is much reliable than SEO Optimer. SEO Optimer is very actually the report, audit report is very well presented in SEO Optimer, but as you saw, the website is not responding at all. Okay. So in that manner, SEO site checkup is very reliable. Whenever I didn't get any report from this, I always got something from this website. That's why it's reliable. You can also use it. SEO site checkup. Okay, so the report is complete. So it gave a score of 75. All right, and such kind of report they have shown. Now see, there are several sections: overview, then general SEO, speed of the website, server security, mobile usability, and advanced SEO. Okay, so the report is divided in all these sections, as you can see, in the form of tabs. Okay, you can directly click on security and server, so it is going to show that particular criteria. Okay, where you need improvement. Green tick means perfectly fine, cross means needs improvement, and if you click on how to fix, it is going to suggest you exact coding, what you improvement can be done in the coding. It is going to show you some sample coding if you click on how to fix. So I have used this website twice or thrice and it's very reliable. Okay, so let us see. Most of the green ticks we have got. Okay, 75 is the total score, and you can also email the report or download a PDF. But I think so for that you have to provide your email ID. Okay, first time you can download it for free. The PDF can be downloaded. Okay, and second time I think so it is going to ask you for registration. All right. See, green ticks for title test, meta description, everything is perfect with this website, that is Shop Clues. Then keyword usage is also fine. What keywords are used, they have suggested here. Suggested, I mean, they have just informed that these are the important keywords are being used. Okay, so here there is an alert. Okay, here improvement can be done, and this need to be fixed. Okay, so this can be the part of improvement. So let us try to answer the question. Our first question is, the website is. Okay, so which website we are optimizing? So we are optimizing HTTP. So while writing in the journal, you will write in this pattern only. Try to follow this. www.shopclues.com. All right. Then if I give an enter, the word processing software shows it like a URL. The software used is, we are actually using a website. Our website is http, I mean colon symbol, 2// www.seo site checkup.com. Okay. Now the 4 suggestions to improve the website. So point by point we are going to write the suggestions. Okay. So let me make a bullet, or you can take a numbering. No, let's take bullet only. Give a tab. Too large. And All right. Alignment is also fine. So what needs to be fixed? SEO friendly URL test. Your web page contains URL that are not user friendly. You can directly, because I am preparing this assignment in MS Word, I can directly copy paste, but you have to write in the journal or paper, exam paper. Okay, okay. So it has been copied. Let us first copy the statements and then we can modify like answers. Your website is using img tag with MTE or missing alt attributes. That is compulsory to be used. Alt attribute is compulsory to be used. Okay. While professional website development. Any four improvements. Okay. So we will see how many improvements do we get. Copy and paste. So the third one is there is usage of inline CSS style. I think so that is not advisable. How to fix, they will also tell you how to fix it. Your website loading time is 8.66 seconds and it is over the average loading speed which is 5 seconds. That means every website should load within 5 seconds. Okay. So speed test. Any more suggestions? Your website is not serving all resource. Okay. So this is an alert and this is 100% needed improvement. So four improvements we have noted. You can note more also. Your URL performed three redirects. Avoid. Okay. So it should not get redirected to another page. So it is suggesting that. 6 points we have noted. All right. So our assignment is almost done. Okay. Importance. You can take a screenshot of it and write, or you can write importance as per your understanding also after studying the chapter. Okay. Now, not it is not advisable to just copy paste as it is given in the report. You have to try to present it like an answer. So suggestion, your web page, whose web page? Shopclues.com's web page. Okay. So mention that Shopclues. Either you can mention the entire URL, okay, and if you feel that it's too lengthy to write every time complete URL, just mention shopclues.com, okay, apostrophe s, okay, shopclues.com's web page contains URL that are not SEO friendly. So I'm just going to copy this thing, and wherever it is your, I'm going to mention name of the website or simply .com web page of shopclues.com contains. Okay, try to frame it a little bit properly. Okay, in this manner. Some of your website. Okay, so Wherever it is your website, we will provide the name of the website which we are auditing. Shopclose.com URL perform 3 redirects. Okay. So as it is given in the report, you just have to copy paste and present properly like an answer. That's it. Okay, so these are the suggestions that we got. Okay, so if you are intending to directly copy this, so you can take a screenshot. This is 16 font size. I am going to increase it 16. Okay, so from here to here, you can take a screenshot. I'm waiting. I'm hoping you are taking a screenshot. All right. So now I will slowly scroll down. Please take the screenshot. And now finally importance. So the question is done. All right. Understood. It's very, very simple. Okay. I hope so. The assignment is clear to you. Once again, if you want to take a screenshot, first part, second part, and last part. Okay. I hope so. You have taken a screenshot. And now I'm going to stop the video. Okay. So not every time you may quickly load a result or audit report. Okay. You have to maintain your patience. As I told you, not every time the website is going to provide you an audit report. Possibly if I got an error page, if I got an error page in this SEO site checkup, then there would have been no other option other than signing up in SEO Matter. Okay, because today SEO Optimer is not responding. See, it's still not responding. I think so. There is some problem with the website. Okay, I hope so. You must have understood the assignment. It's very simple. So I'm going to stop the video now. So thank you for all the suggestions. Okay, because I am seeing your active interaction in the comments, and thank you for suggesting the videos. Please subscribe the channel. Okay, and keep suggesting, and the videos will keep coming. All right. Thank you, everybody. Take care.